Hello everyone, today we're gonna introduce how to use NFTScan NFT API to build an NFT on-chain tracker. We know, for most Web3 teams, building a complete on-chain NFT data tracking system is a challenging task, and building an NFT on-chain tracker is even more so. It involves dealing with smart contracts and transaction data on the blockchain, and integrating and analyzing them with external data sources, which is a massive workload. These include the complexity of blockchain data, on-chain data access restrictions, data fragmentation and distribution, non-standard NFT asset contracts, and standardization issues in storage paths. NFTScan is a professional multi-chain NFT explorer data infrastructure, with the largest and most comprehensive NFT collection library on the entire blockchain networks. One of the core services it has launched is the developer platform, which provides developers with rich NFT data services enabling them to easily access NFT-related data. NFTScan currently has the largest and most comprehensive NFT collection library on the entire network, and it has supported full NFT data for 16 blockchains, including Ethereum, Solana, Chain, Bitcoin, Polygon, Aptos, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Optimism, Phantom, Moonbeam, Platon, Cronus, Gnosis, Sync, and Linear. So how to use NFTScan NFT API to build an NFT on-chain tracker. Step 1. Register for an NFTScan developer account. Before using NFTScan API, you need to first visit the developer website and create an account. Go to the NFTScan official website to register, click the Sign Up button on NFTScan. In the dashboard, developers can also view statistics on their API usage to help keep track of their usage history. Not only that, NFTScan also provides all registered developers with 1 million CU of API call services, which can be used to request all NFT API interfaces. And the CU will never expire, and can be used until it runs out. After logging, find your unique API key on the dashboard. And copy it. Then you can access the API documentation and enter your API key into the corresponding position. Then follow the instructions to use the API service. There are many different interface modes that developers can choose from, and by following the instructions in the documentation, you can find the most suitable interface for your needs. Next is to determine the required NFT API. After successfully registering and authenticating your API key, you need to view the NFTScan API documentation. The API documentation includes all available API endpoints and parameters, covering a rich variety of NFT data, and providing a complete set of interfaces for obtaining ERC-721 and ERC-1155 assets transactions, project, and market statistics. It now supports more than 50 public interfaces for EVM-compatible chains, as well as a batch of similar models for Solana, Aptos, and Bitcoin interfaces, greatly meeting the needs of developers to index various types of NFT data. Before building an NFT tracker on a blockchain, developers need to clearly determine the required NFT data. What basic data can be obtained from NFTScan NFT API? It can be mainly divided into the following 3 sections: Assets API, Transactions API, Collections API. Step 3. Use NFTScan's NFT API to obtain the required NFT data. The NFT ranking leaderboard information is crucial, which includes the current NFT hot trend, showing the current hottest NFT leaderboard, i.e., the most popular and actively trading NFT collections. Using an interface such as the Trade Ranking V2 Statistics Ranking Trade mainly returns NFT statistics data ranked by trading volume, which can be referenced on NFTScan Trading. On this page, you can select query parameters including time sorting field, sorting direction, whether to obtain 7-day trend data for the project. Click Try It to get data, including the top 100 collections and comprehensive data for each of the 24 items. Another great feature of NFT trackers is that they help users to monitor the NFT market and gain insights on specific NFTs. There's an interface called Get Transactions by Account, which can be accessed using the following HTTP GET request v2 transactions account_address. This interface mainly returns a list of NFT transactions made by specific account address. If you're a developer using Python, you can send an HTTP GET request using the requests library to call the NFTScan API and get NFT assets from a specific account address. It's pretty similar to the JavaScript version. Developers can also adjust the request parameters and how the return data is parsed according to their needs. Finally, NFTScan's NFT API provides comprehensive NFT data support to developers, which is the foundation for building all kinds of applications and solutions. Whether it's an NFT marketplace, digital asset management tool, or research and analysis system, developers can use the functions and data of NFTScan API to explore and innovate according to their business needs and creative ideas. This way, developers can provide users with better NFT experiences and discover new opportunities and potentials in the NFT ecosystem.